Hey guys, so today we are going to be unboxing a new seller. This seller's name is UnFlawLess. I just happened to pop into their show and they were doing a bunch of nice items. It wasn't like a curated show, so it was just like random higher end items that they have from like department stores and stuff like that, I believe. So I just popped in, and to my surprise, it was so many pink items, and I just had the time of my life in that show. I got this package months ago. I just haven't been able to do my unboxings, like just life has been life, and so I'm doing this one today. So that's why it looks like this, because the day it was sent, it was pouring rain outside, like thunderstorm, pouring. It was like a storm here in New Jersey. So thank God they bagged it like this. So on top of them putting it in this big plastic bag, each item is individually wrapped, and I thank them so much for that, because if they didn't pack this order like this, the USPS priority box was drenched. When we picked it up, when the postman dropped it off and we picked it up, it was literally falling apart. So I'm so happy, and I want to thank you guys for packing my order like this, because this was a lifesaver. This unbox is going to be different since I don't have the box, I just have the bag. But it did come in a USPS priority box, and it will be unboxing today. So the first item, I mean literally I got everything that was pink. Everything was pink. So this is the first item. And this is my first time shopping with them, as you guys know. So I got this little cute shirt. I love it. It says lovable, and everything was new with tags. So this one says lovable. I believe there's a pants to go with some. Oh, this dress, I had to bid for this dress. Oh my God, I think this dress, like, me and someone was going at it for this dress, because I don't even know if it's my size. It seems wide. It's so large. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that to me. Look at that. This pink is so pretty. Like, oh, just slapped myself. This pink is so pretty. Like, look at that. Oh my God. It's Frame, and it's a size large, made in China. So it's the Frame brand, a size large, new with tags. And I love this dress. When it's steamed and you put on some nice heels, oh my God. The third item I got was these. These are so cute. I didn't care if it was extra small. I was like, I'll fit my tush in there. It is so cute though. Oh my God. Extra small, and it says love hurts. This is so cute. And in true posh fashion, I just have to get another one, just in case. So this one is gonna fit, and it has a lot more stretch, and this one is a size small, so this one is definitely gonna fit. But I didn't take the chance. I went to both of them. I didn't know which one was gonna fit. I don't know this brand, so I just bought both. But oh my God, this is so, let me come closer so you guys can see. Like, this is the material. Do you see that? Do you see this material? Like, do you see that? It's amazing. This is number 5. This is cute. I'm not a sweater person, so I don't know if I'm ever gonna wear this, but it's cute. She's really cute, and she's different. She's rag and bone, I think. Yeah, rag and bone size small. I have some nice fur, like Alexander Wang. I think she'll go nice with this. I think the material, I think I could do her like this, you know, very bougie. Like, I wear this with this, and then I have the bag that matches as well. Okay. So I have this bag that matches. So I feel like this is a cute little, you know, you going to the doctor, you're going out to eat with the girls. I think this could work. When I saw it, I envisioned that. When I saw this red here, I was like, okay, this and this is like this is a fit. Okay, number 6, I think I'm up to. This is a cute little rag and bone tee. You know, you go into Costco, go into the grocery store with some Skims shorts or some denim jeans. I'll figure it out. But I thought she was just really cute. I love it's pink. I don't need an excuse to buy pink. At least are these bad boys. Oh my God, do you guys see how long it takes me to open my packages? I literally don't leave reviews until I open my packages, because then it forces me to leave a review, and you only have 30 days, I think, on WhatNot to leave a review. This one, I missed the review date, so I have to order again so I can leave a review. I missed the review date because we just been, like, you guys know about my headache, so The headache's just been debilitating. It's been taking me out, y'all. So, but anyway, this is definitely not my size. I haven't been a 26 since I was like, yeah, since I was like then. But we're gonna make her fit. Even if I have to take out a couple ribs, she's gonna fit. Okay? Look at this beauty. She's a pink frame denim. Look at her. Look at the belt. She is it. So this is my unboxing from UnFlawLess. Would I shop with them again? Abso-fucking-lutely. Would I recommend them? Abso-fucking-lutely. Do you guys not see how they package mine? It just so happened that we had a rainstorm, a thunderstorm, and the boxes that got destroyed. How is that coincidental? And they packaged every item in plastic and then a big plastic on top of it and then put it in the mailer in USPS box. Like, that's phenomenal. Or otherwise all my pink would have been destroyed. It would be black like my shirt. So I'm so happy they did that. Please follow them, guys. They have so much nice stuff. There's a lady there. She is so sweet. She's so funny. You would just love to shop on their channel. She's like so inviting. I forgot her name. She wears glasses, but she's such a sweetheart. It was my first time on her channel, so I'm not too familiar, but I would definitely be back to shop with them again. She even tries on the clothing too. She tries on the stuff, and so that you can have an idea of how it looks, or and I love that. It's very funny. She also has someone there with her. I'm not sure if it's a family member, but they like talk back and forth, and they're just so funny. It's comical. You guys would love that channel. So again, it's UnFlawLess. It's on the screen. I highly recommend them. And if you guys download the app, please give them a follow. And you guys know what time it is. So I just want to thank everybody for always supporting by viewing, liking, subscribing, sharing. It goes a long way. I wish everybody have an amazing, beautiful day today, and we will be back tomorrow with another video. Mwah. I love you guys.